All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys something that was sent out to me recently. Now, this is just a little bag, but you would be amazed how often these little bags really come in handy. Now, what I like about this one so far is that it does have a little handle here, even though I probably would not use the handle too often. But it is made from like a canvasy material. It's kind of water wicking style. Now, what I like about this is that it does have double zippers. So if you guys know and you've been following me anytime, you know I'm a huge fan of these double zippers. It's just a matter of getting them into the right position where they can be, beneficial to you. So let me show you guys some of the cool things. Let's start here on the back. So you have storage on the back of this bag. This is going to be ideal for putting, any number of different things in here. So say, for instance, like this little hard drive, if I wanted to just drop this in there with the cable, that could fit easily into the back of this bag. You have other storage throughout the bag. Again, that's where those double zippers come in. So right here, we have our pen, holders right here. Of course, you could throw a pocket knife in there. You could have a bunch of tools in here. So let me show you guys what I mean here. I have this little pry bar that I have with me sometimes. I'll just drop that in there as well. And also throwing in a few cables. I have my USB-C cables and I have one of my cables for charging one of my different devices, and I lose these cables all the time. So being able to put those away inside of one of these is also a win. Okay, so that's the front pocket with the double zippers. And then you have an additional pocket back here that is pretty just an open area pocket. That's going to be great for, for my photographers out there. If you guys are storing away batteries, you can put those batteries, comfortably inside of that, one of these portable power supplies. You could drop that in there. Maybe you want to take out, action camera. You could probably fit your action camera in there as well. So it just really depends, guys, on, what you would utilize one of these bags for. But like I said, as a photographer, videographer, just an everyday person, guys, these bags really come in handy. And if nothing else, it helps you keep all of your items in one place so you're not looking for them all the time. All I have to do is identify this bag. That's where I'm going to find my cables. That's where I'm going to find my pins, or possibly some, spare batteries. Or you can, take one of these bags and just make it the bag for all of your accessories, say for maybe one of your action cameras or, your survival stuff, your EDC things. You can put all of those in this bag as well. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys a really nice bag that I think a lot of people should try to incorporate into their EDC, your everyday carry, everyday creation tools. This is a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.